Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. What you are looking at here is Four Corners, and this is one of the main programs that I promote through Traffic Monsoon. Now, it's nice to open up your account and see someone has joined. And I came over today and I have been promoting my business through Traffic Monsoon, but I use a marketing system called Power Lead System. Now, this is my genealogy right here. I came over and lo and behold, I got another sign up. And all these people that has come into my business through promoting through Traffic Monsoon. Power Lead System is the marketing platform, and Traffic Monsoon is the way I'm getting traffic to my site. Now, you can join the Four Corners Alliance group for $18 one-time fee. Now, you're looking at my genealogy here. This is me, and this is 4 people I brought in. I can't get but 4 across here. And then it spills over to whoever that's under me. Take for instance this guy right here, the sponsor, Marlon Carter. Right here, sponsor, Marlon Carter. And this is another one of my group members, and he's doing well as well. He's gotten a spillover. He's has put this 5th person in, but they has to go underneath one of the people that he has gotten on his front line, which is 4. We can't go but 4 across, then we spill over to whoever comes in business with us. Now, after you join in Four Corners, you'll be able to come under me, and we don't know where the next one will fall. I don't know if it's right to left or left to right, but anyway, you will be getting spillovers from me. And the same will apply when you get your 4 and you bring in people that will spill over under the 4 that you have brought in. And that's the way it goes. It builds up, and everyone is getting paid. Now, with this Four Corners, I put it inside of the Power Lead System, which I can advertise any business that I want, and I have multiple subdomains that I've created from this system. And once I create a domain or subdomain, and I apply that link, that person that subscribed to this link, I assign a funnel to it, which is autoresponding messages that will go out to the subscriber. Whoever subscribed to my lead capture page, if they put in their information, then they will start getting follow-up messages from me that will advertise my Four Corners Alliance group. And the message is going out on your behalf. It doesn't matter if you're not with Four Corners. If you don't want to join Four Corners, you can manage or promote any business you want to through the Power Lead System. And as well, we will invite you to join Traffic Monsoon. And this is where all of the traffic come from, the money come from that will allow you to buy traffic from other sources. I'm having fun with these businesses, and the marketing system, really, both of these are marketing system, Traffic Monsoon and the Power Lead System. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing to gain traffic to my sites, click on the link below. You can join Four Corners for $18. You can join in Traffic Monsoon for free and learn how to start buying ad packs to promote your business. I'm now at $81 a day in Traffic Monsoon. I can go out and buy me solo ads. I can go out and buy me clicks to my Four Corners allowance business. And I'm growing with these marketing platform, this marketing system that I use, Power Lead system. I'm growing daily. I have over 2,000 some leads inside of here from promoting through Traffic Monsoon and putting my capture pages out there where my funnels will go to work as autoresponder with follow-up messages. It doesn't matter. I had a person that came into the business and they had been in my leads as prospects for for a few months. It doesn't matter when they will come in, as long as you have them inside of your funnel, your contact list. It's all about building a list, and you can build your contact list through the Power Lead system. You have multiple capture pages that you can use. You can use unlimited subdomains to build your business and have fun like I'm doing. And I love making these videos to show my progress in with the Power Lead system and Traffic Monsoon. It don't take much to get started, just a willing mind and a willing heart and a desire to make that income or second income that you always wanted to make from your own home sweet home. My name is Marlon Carter. This is the Power Lead system. This is Four Corners Alliance Group. $18 one-time fee. You can join Power Lead system for $7 through the capture page as Lead Lightning. It's called Lead Lightning. It's a $7 one-time fee. And you can get started, have your own autoresponder, promoting your business or whatever business you want to promote. You can promote Power Lead system and start getting paid. You can promote your Four Corners Allowance. If you're not with Four Corners Allowance, you can join up and start promoting it. And we put them all inside of Traffic Monsoon to start getting more traffic to our websites or our business opportunity. At the bottom of this video, you will find a link to join up with Traffic Monsoon. You will find a link to join up with Four Corners Alliance. And you will find a link to join up with Lead Lightning, which is the Power Lead system, at the bottom of this video. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. It's been a plum-pleasing pleasure. As usual, you all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.